Did the Bitcoin price just kickstart a massive bull run? Because right now, in this short and quick update video, we've got a very massive news for the Bitcoin price because we just had a break above a key level of resistance in the longer time frames. And right now, we find the Bitcoin price coming down to retest this exact level in the daily time frame short. So in this short and quick update video, we will talk about the recent price action of Bitcoin and discuss what we could expect next, what this breakout could mean for the entire crypto market, and much more. So if you're holding Bitcoin, if you're holding altcoins, this video will be very important. So yeah, let's just begin by starting off inside the weekly time frame and discuss what just happened for Bitcoin, because for your information, something really massive just happened for the Bitcoin price in the long term. And sorry if I sound a bit weird right now, it's because I'm sick. But if you take a closer look into the charts right now, the Bitcoin price had its weekly candle close above this trend line of resistance. And in my previous videos, we discussed how massive this means for the price, because again, we said if Bitcoin breaks above this trend line through a weekly candle close above it, then this flips from resistance to major support. And if you do move into the shorter daily time frame charts for Bitcoin, you guys can see that Bitcoin actually came down for the past few days to retest this exact level of previous resistance and now flipped it to support by having a bounce towards the upside. And you can observe a bullish engulfing candle right here, which just shows that the price action right now could be turning bullish. Now obviously it's still too early to celebrate, and I don't want you guys to get too cocky, because yeah, there is a chance that we could see Bitcoin dump further towards the downside, because there is a chance that Bitcoin could find resistance at this swing high and form potentially a double top pattern and move back towards the downside of this trend line and form a massive fake out. So just be warned, it's too early to get too cocky. And the volume right now is actually pretty low. Yes, the volume is pretty low. So yeah, we are right now facing heavy resistance for the Bitcoin price in the longer weekly time frame. As you guys can see, this red zone is massive resistance, and we are right now struggling to break above it. But again, at least we met one confirmation, and that first confirmation is to have a weekly candle close above this trend line of resistance. That is one accomplishment for the Bitcoin price. But again, like I've said, it's still too early to celebrate, because there are still multiple factors that could come into play and push the price back towards the downside, leading into this massive fake out. So just be warned about the potential bearish scenarios for Bitcoin, and that it's still too early to celebrate. But yes, I want to tell you that it is nice that Bitcoin has closed this weekly candle above this trend line, and I'm just hoping that in the next couple of days or weeks, the Bitcoin price will manage to successfully hold this trend line as support. Because as we see Bitcoin hold the support zone, or I mean the support trend line, that is massive, because that would increase the chances of us seeing Bitcoin continue this sustained pump towards the upside. So yeah, in the short term, just be warned that we could still see bearish price action, but in the long term, I am still feeling bullish for the Bitcoin price, and in the long term, I am still expecting higher prices for Bitcoin and for the entire crypto market. And if you may be wondering, what are my personal targets for Bitcoin in this cycle? We have set $150,000 as the peak for this cycle before entering into another bear market for the Bitcoin price. So if this video has helped you, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.